Hello everyone, my name is Babin Alam Khan. Today I am here to make short video presentation related to this week. So from slide 1 to 3, the topic is introduced as file and exception handling. I learned that data inside a program is temporary, so files are needed to store data permanently. I also learned that exception handling help a program deal with runtime errors without crashing. So from slide 4 to 6, the lecture explained that the objectives, the main goals are opening files, reading, writing data using file dialogues, handling exception with try, accept, and finally and learning about Python built-in exception classes. It also introduces CSV files and pandas for data analysis. So from slide 7 to 12, I learned the basic file operations. Python uses the open function to open a file. The W mode is used to write data. R mode is used to read data. And A mode is used to append data. I also learned how to check whether a file existing using os.path.isFile. So from slide 13, the lecturer explained writing and reading numeric data. I learned that a number must be converted into string before writing them into file, and when reading them back, they may need to convert it in converted into integer or floats. So from slide to 14 to 16, the lecturers show examples such as counting letters in a file and retrieving data from a website. This helped me understand that file handling is useful not only for local files but also for reading data from the online resources. So from slide 17 to 21, I learned about exception handling. The try block contains the code that may cause an error. The except block handles the error, and finally a block always runs. I also learned that we can raise exception and process exception object. So now from slide 20 22 to 33, the lecture explained CSV files and pandas. I learned that CSV files are useful for storing structured data. Python CSV module can read and write CSV files, and pandas can load CSV files into a data frame. The Titanic dataset example shows how pandas can be used for simple data analysis. So in this tutorial task, I apply this concept by reading numbers from a file, converting them into integers, and calculating the sum and average. The result was sum 150 and average 30. The task also required handling file not found errors and invalid numeric data errors. Overall, this week helped me understand how Python can store data permanently using a file, and how exception handling makes programs safer and more reliable. These concepts are useful in the real world system such as banking, student record, inventory system, and log files. So these all are the things that I have learned in this week. So thank you so much.